Hi Reception, so to finish off our literacy for this week, we've just got 3 exercises that are going to help us practice our reading and writing. Now your first one looks like this. There are 3 sentences and 3 pictures, but they are jumbled up. You need to read the sentences on this side and draw a line to the correct picture. So for example, I'm going to use my reading finger. The duck is quick. The duck is quick. Now, if I look at this first picture, I'm not sure that is a duck that's quick. Here, again, doesn't look like the duck is quick. Here we go. I've got a picture of a duck. So I would get my pen or pencil. I would draw a line from the sentence that says the duck is quick to the picture that shows the duck is quick. So see if you can do the rest of that. Then at the bottom, just like these pictures have a sentence describing what's happening, you've got a picture here that you then have to write your own sentence for underneath. So it could be the van is driving, or if you wanted more description, the big red van is driving on the green grass. So write as much as you can to see if you can write your own caption underneath it. You've then got more of the same activity if you want to keep going with that. Then you've got a second activity that looks like this. You've got a picture of somewhere in space and there's lots of labels, just like we've practiced our labeling. There's lots of labels coming off the picture, but the words, the labels aren't finished. So for example, this arrow here, this label is pointing at a star. There are sound buttons underneath to help you figure out what sounds they are. So remember, a dot means it's a single sound and a line means it's a digraph or a special friend. So I know this is going to be star. My S for star is already there. So I'd go st, st. So I know that's a t. Star. Remember R, start the car. R. Star. Remember, I've just read it through again to check that I'm happy with it. So then you're going to do the same for all of these, and then it challenges you to say, can you label any other parts in the picture? So you can create your own labels as well. Once you've done that, you're then going to write a sentence or more about the picture using the words that you've labeled to help you. So you can write one sentence using the words, or you can write more than one sentence, okay? Using the words that we have just looked at from the picture to help you write them. Then there is the same thing again for our little pirate friend here. Complete the labels, then write sentences underneath. Then finally, your last activity for your literacy is what we call a reading comprehension, which is just a fancy way of saying reading something and then answering questions about it to show you have understood what you've read. So you're just going to read a little story called Pirate Adventure. Then you've got some questions that look like this to answer. So they're simple questions like, what is Pirate Pete's parrot called? So once you've read the story, you'll be able to remember in the story what was Pirate Pete's parrot called, and then you write the answer. If you can, then see if you can answer it in full sentences. So I might write Pirate Pete's parrot is called, and then I'd write his name. But if you want to just write the name, then that's absolutely fine too. Okay, so as I said, you've got 3 activities there, but don't feel like you have to complete all of them. Maybe you could just do one example of each activity rather than both of them, because there is a lot there, but absolutely challenge yourself to do it all if you would like to. Good luck.